Let us see the example 6.4. If theta is a parameter, find the equation of the locus of the moving point whose coordinates are a secant theta and b tan theta. So as same as the previous questions, we can take the first step. Let P of h comma k be a point on the locus. And you see, from the given information, they are given the points directly. So from the given information, h is equal to a secant theta and k is equal to b tan theta. So from the given information, we can take it like h is equal to a secant theta and k is equal to b tan theta, which implies h by a is equal to secant theta, and which implies k by b is equal to tan theta. So we are getting the equations like this. So here you see, here we have got two equations in terms of the parameters theta as well as our variables h and k. So our aim is to eliminate the parameter theta. So how to eliminate this? So let us take, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. So we have to eliminate these two. We have to eliminate this the parameter theta. So we have to think about the trigonometrical identities. We are having one identity connecting secant theta and tan theta is, we know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So this is the well-known identities one of the well-known identities in trigonometry. So just we are going to apply this one. So we are going to square the equation 1 and we are going to square the equation 2 and then we are subtracting. So squaring and subtracting equations, subtracting the equations 1 and 2, we get h by a the whole square. Here left side of the equation 1 h by a minus the left side of the equation 2 k by b. So h by a the whole square minus k by b the whole square. In the right side you see, in the equation 1 right side secant theta, that is secant square theta minus the tan square theta, because in the second equation RHS is tan theta. So now which implies h square by a square minus k square by b square is equal to 1 because of the identity, trigonometrical identity. So now this you see, now we have eliminated the other parameter theta, we are having only the equation only in terms of h and k. So this is our answer. But before that we have to replace the values for h and k. So replace the values, replace h by x and k by y. We are getting the equation as x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. So this is the locus of the corresponding question.